in the free abundance of new land that wants to be their home and their children forever. This is the land they thought they found. Every evil sword that their eyes were set upon, every hill and mountain that becomes to them, with a green and purple invitation. Every mile of rolling place that their beauty compass, every river, and day and day, the promise of ethical living and the fruitfulness of commerce is a hello spot to me. By the strength of their hearts and hands, by every right of law, human and divine, this land and all the fortunates thereof, the black and virgin soil,
the seas and lakes and rivers teeming with fish,
the forest with their inexhaustible wealth in wildlife and timber, the mountains with their bowels swollen with minerals, the whole of this rich and happy land has been, for centuries without number, the land of my fathers. This land I received in trust from them, and instructions back to my children, and so on, until the world is no more. I am a Filipino. In my blood runs the immortal seed of heroes. Seeds that flowered down the centuries, in seeds of courage and defiance. In my veins yet pulses, the same has blood, the strength of the lack of tomates, against the enemy foe. The throne yet to see and the glory, in the rebellion against the foreign oppressor. That seed is immortal. It is the very same seed that flowered in the hearts of the exile, that morning is not combined. With a man of shots, fuego! Boom! Who against the wonders of mortal sin, and then spirit that ends forever. The same of shower guard is fucking in the wall.
ang brigada ng Pilar at tirad pa.
Pabandon yun ang kalumpit, that dome in the heart of the station, in the sad heart of Emilio Ginaldo Palanan. And yet burns for fighting against the proud heart of Manuel and Quezon. When it stood, yes it stood, as last of the threshold of ancient and of fire, in the symbolic act of protection and racial humiliation. The sin I have ever seen is an immortal sin. It is the mark of my manhood, the symbol of dignity as a human being. Like the tree that were once buried in the tomb of Tutankhamen many thousand years ago, it shall grow and flower and bear fruit again. It is the inside of my race and my generation's running stage. In the hand, turn to my people for freedom and happiness. I am a Filipino, child of America of the East and the West. The East,
With its love and mysticism,
it is a Filipino endurance, once my mother, and my sire, once the West, that came thundering across the sea, with a bronze and sword and a machine. I am of the East, an eager participant in his struggle, for the liberation of the imperialist yoke. But I also know that the East must awake from its century sleep. Shake of the liturgy that has done its thing, and start moving where destiny awaits. For I too am of the West, and the vigorous people of the West have declared forever the peace and quiet that once were ours.
Until no one could live, being apart from those words, now trembles to the roar of bomb and cannon shots.
For no man and no nation is an island, but apart from it, there is no longer any east and west. Only individuals and nations, making those connected choices that are needed upon particular results.
at the vanguard of progress,
It inspires the world that stands, a forlorn figure in the eyes of some, but that one defeated and lost. For truly, in their lazy branches of habit, beyond the power of any man or nation, to subvert or destroy. I am a Filipino, and this is my inheritance.
What pledge shall I give that I may prove worthy of my inheritance?
I shall give the pledge that has come to lead down the corridors of the streets, and it shall be confounded of the joy and pride of my Malayan forwards. When they first saw the contours of his land loom before their eyes, of the battle cry that has resounded in every field of combat, from Mactan to Tirapan, of the voices of my people, when they sing,
Ready, speak.
Land of the morning, child of the sun returning, dear shall invaders, trample and take the shore. Out of the last dream of these 7,000 eyes, out of the heart dream of these 50 million people, all are ready to one song. I shall bring you down for my pledge.
Out of the songs of the farmers at sunrise, when they go to labor in the fields.
Out of the sweat of the heart-beaten pioneers, ibaligin ko ng land.
Out of the silent endurance of steepers at the pier, and the unanimous gambling, and the peasants of Pampanga.
Out of the first cries of babies newly born, and the lullabies that mothers sing.
Out of what I can hear, and the wine is too ripe in factory.
Out of the branch of doubt, of turning the earth,
Out of the limited patience of teachers in the classroom.
and doctors in the clinic.
Out of the drums of soldier marching. Until the day of the pattern of my pledge.
I am a Filipino,
I am a Filipino,
born of freedom,
born of freedom,
and I shall not rest
and I shall not rest
until freedom shall have been added
until freedom shall have been added
unto my inheritance.
unto my inheritance. For my